We can also apply annotations to variables. In this lesson, we will go through an example demonstrating that. We have our annotation here called range with two elements, min and max. They both have default values of 0 and 100 respectively. We apply it to the variable called cost. We then assign 10 to min and 30 to max. In the main class, we create a new object of home. We get an object of field with a getDeclaredField method call. It throws an exception, so we handle that by surrounding the statement with a try-catch. We get an annotation object. However, we receive a warning because we didn't set the retention to runtime. We can correct that. Now we can get the values of min and max for the annotation of this particular field. We print out the values using the printout statement. We can see that the min and max values are printed when we run it. This was just to show that we can also annotate variables, not just methods and classes.